Enterprise presents Boost Efficiency with Automation. Enterprise makes automation simple for your key processes, such as opportunity or incident management, by integrating with n8n, the open-source automation platform. I'm Lisa, Sales Manager. I create a new opportunity in my Enterprise CRM and assign it to Paul, one of my sales reps. I set a significant amount, a target date, and add the relevant contacts and companies. As soon as the opportunity is created, the integration kicks in. A follow-up task is automatically scheduled for Paul to call Elena, the main contact, within 2 days. This task appears directly in the system, no manual input required. Here's another example. When the status changes to negotiation, the probability automatically updates to 60%. Move it to order, and it jumps to 100%, again without any manual effort. And it doesn't stop there. If the opportunity is marked as lost, a post-mortem meeting is automatically scheduled for all stakeholders. For users, this integration removes a series of previously manual, time-consuming tasks, especially data entry. Behind the scenes, these automations are powered by n8n's Visual Workflow Builder, giving CRM administrators access to its API library. This allows them to trigger actions within Enterprise or across the wider information system. With over 1,200 integrations, n8n offers endless possibilities. Thanks to this Enterprise n8n integration, organizations can automate repetitive tasks, activate AI agents, respond faster, and focus on what really matters, driving business success.